Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix keyboard is not showing up in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're using Galaxy Z Fold 6 and you're facing the issue that your keyboard is not showing up, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you just have to go to your settings app here, just scroll down, go to apps. Now once you are in apps, just look for your keyboard here. For example, I'm using Gboard, so I'm looking for Gboard here, or you can directly search for your keyboard by using the search option over here. It's a Gboard. Just select it, scroll down, click on storage, and here very first click on clear cache. Now once you have cleared cache, it will clear if there will be any junk files which are temporarily blocking your keyboard, so it will be cleared. And just go back. Before you retry to use your keyboard, I recommend you how to make a reset. Just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on reset, and now click on reset icon again to make a reset with your phone. And once you have reset it, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app again, go to your keyboard again, click on this clear data, then click on delete. Once you have done, just go back, click on open from here, and now enter or reselect your input method. Just click on the select input method, select your keyboard from here, click on done. Now once you have reset of your keyboard, your issue might have been fixed. If you're still not fixed your issue, go to settings again, scroll down, go to apps again, and go to search and simply just search for keyboard here. Once you find, just click on uninstall option, click on uninstall again. Now it will completely uninstall your keyboard. You just have to go back, open your Play Store app here, go to search and search for your keyboard here. Search for your keyboard. If you're using Samsung keyboards, you just have to click on uninstall, and after uninstalling, just restart your phone. It will automatically reinstall your keyboard or your Samsung keyboard. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if your keyboard is not showing or is not working on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.